CapCut template not showing in TikTok. So if you want to fix the CapCut template is not showing in TikTok, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for CapCut. After that, you need to go and update your CapCut application. If you have any updates, then you need to go with update. And in the same way, if you have any updates under your TikTok, then you just need to simply go with update. And after updating both the applications, now you just need to simply open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you need to make sure that you have a template in the video that you're searching. Like as you can see that here in this video, we don't have the CapCut template. But if you go to another video, so as you can see that here you will have the CapCut option, right? But on other videos, you don't have the CapCut option. Here in this video, you will have CapCut on the bottom left. So if you find this kind of interface in which it says CapCut template, then you need to tap on that CapCut template and it will lead you to the CapCut template. But if you don't find the CapCut template, it means that they've not used any CapCut template. They've edited it themselves. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.